To me say Gaza, some boy, them a act like a bitch. A chat about that and them a chat about this. And can't stop them girl from sit down for me dick 10-star general. Wicked lyrics me a spit. Easy, Gaza lock this place so easy. God believe me, girl no refuse to please we. We no R. Kelly where I drink girl pee. We stop the girl them like a harpoon. Real top girl this man and a cartoon. Bad behaving girl we want groom. She come in the room, come feed the tall broom. No Viagra for attack me hard soon. And Medina mix with the raw moon. Easy, Gaza lock this place so easy. God believe me, girl no refuse to please we. We no lick clit, we're not look wheezy. What? The general, the 10-star one I represent in a live and living colors. Hear me no man. You know it go already, you know, when me load up, aim up, crank up, and sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment. What? Hear me no man. I do some boom and say, I make the people them know the real truth. But when my father talk about and my sister look up, boy are running on my inbox and I chat this and I chat that. Yo, me telling you something. Go over Vybz Kartel page. The man say big draws on nowhere with 3 Stay Fury Maxi Pie in it. Me not tell you no shishki bag long time. You not do my chest a long time I make you know that. Eh? Me not tell you no Felucci nowhere boy. Eh? Me not make you know that a Felucci nowhere. You know the big man loot and fire say what? You not enough of you not bad man out the road but you know no house you not freak. Your sister beard and your peep. And that's why you go feel up your looking niece in her sleep. What? General, I think me laugh with it. Let me tell you something, I know one of them bloggers who wanna carry running on my inbox and chat who wanna feel like and things a lollipop thing. You hear me? On enough argument like me. I effortlessly me do it. You hear that? Me no read script, me no write down nothing I tell her. I straight off of the top my glue now. You know what I mean? On enough them brain the body boy. You hear me? You think me talk gas up like you know, a real thing me talk, I make me tell you something. If Movado did have sense, all he would have to do is ignore what Vybz Kartel say. That's all he would have to do. More than go but go embarrass himself. Because whatever, whosoever he make right where him right say. You know what I mean? If you are youth will have sense for yourself. You know what I mean? Because every man, you know, born with 5 cents, you know. And along the way, growing up, you know, you gain more. You know what I mean? Just because you know more thing, I have more experience and more knowledge about enough more shit. But if you a look at body boy we sit down and depend on people and anything people say that you run with because you're a big yes man and you can't calculate nothing for your fucking self. You know what I mean? So I go where people say, you know go off. Let me tell you something. If Movado is real intelligent as well I claim, him uno make nobody write up that shit there. Because if you can write up an article like that, it's supposed to easy for you to write song, my brother. So everybody are gonna know say I know you write it. You hear me? It's so easy to come up with that. You think at a one time I think that from me look upon it a one time that come in my brain. One time. From you can write up such article. It's easy for you to write song. Because all you gotta do, I like add rhyme. That's all you gotta do. You know what I mean? I remember song easy because 4 verse and the chorus, and each time you do a verse you come back to the chorus. Remember the general, the 10-star one and I talk to, you know, and a lollipop thing, you know. I want me to, you know. You think me laugh with it? Eh? I want me to, you know. You know, a clown. Eh? I talk about where the teacher done for dance all, you know, say. How much Gaza artists who make Camille? Eh? What the people them love? Eh? Who make popcorn? Who make Vanessa Bling? Eh? Who not chatbot? Who not run on the mouth? Who push massacre over the bump? Eh? Who make the world talk about sense here? Eh? Me telling you something. When I talk about intelligent, who did the right girls get the answer? Eh? Me tell you something. Who bust the writer? Who published Vybz Kartel book? Who bust him? Nobody knew him from Vybz Kartel give him the book for publish. Eh? I'm telling you something. Don't come mix up Vybz Kartel name in our when no low character business in my virgin. When you come on have to come well intellect in a man. I want me to you, man. You have to top up on the vocabulary, man. You see me? And don't blame my man. It's not an ex-man fault like my virgin. So what I say? From the police, them say them want my father. Where a college him a go. So him change now. That's all him can get for write all them stuff there. That what I say? Eh? Well, let me tell you something. If him can write up a script like that, song and nothing for him write. You hear that? I'm not tell no lie. When I write a song, a theme work, him are the architect. Use just the trade man where I go do it. But him draw up every shit. You know what I mean? I make me tell you something. It's not every trade man out there can read blueprint. And that's why you have to have architect. You hear that? And top man will read the blueprint and tell you what go on it. That you can get for do it. So if him the tough them way they are smart, him only even answer like that. The way him answer, him would go real hardcore as a real ghetto youth. But when you go answer intelligent now, a man say, well then, oh you're so fucking intelligent and I know you are right your song them. If you're tough like that now your brain, you don't need songwriter. Or the general, the 10-star one. Me not laugh with it. But me tell you something big draws boy. With 3 stay free maxi pie night. When you continue running on my comment box. Or the general, the 10-star one. Me not go stop talk. You hear that? And me never go look for you. You know what I mean? Because from the way you running on my comment box and the argument you have, you are born losers. We win. Every time we win. You hear that? Me not depend on YouTube for have money. You hear that, boy? Me not depend on YouTube for have money. Money always stay with me. Because me's a working youth. You hear that? People pay me for my ability. Some odds we have them here. You hear that, boy? You hear that? Get up this morning and go beg somebody a draw for them cigarette or them spliff batty boy. In your big drawers with the 3 stay free maxi pie night. Or the general, the 10-star one I represent for Gaza and know it go Gaza nation. When I crank up and aim up and drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Eh? You know a loud explosion on YouTube. What?